Good morning, students. Today we will be learning about trace minerals. Let me share the screen. So, basically, the minerals can be divided into major minerals and trace minerals. The major minerals are those ones that is present in amounts larger than 5 grams or they are present in amounts less than 5 grams in our body, like calcium, phosphorus, potassium, sulfur, sodium, chloride, and magnesium. Whereas trace minerals, there are more than a dozen trace minerals, although only six are like shown here, and six are the major ones. It constitutes about iron, zinc, copper, manganese, iodine, and selenium. The trace minerals, as I told, there are these are the trace minerals: iron, iodine, fluoride, manganese, molybdenum, nickel, boron, zinc, selenium, copper, chromium, arsenic, silicon, and cobalt. So first one is iron, which is found in the reduced or oxidized form, which is functions in the body include it's a major part in the hemoglobin, which carries oxygen in blood, part of the protein myoglobin in muscle, which makes oxygen available for muscle contraction, and necessary for the utilization of energy as part of the cell's metabolic machinery. So iron absorption, iron is absorbed from the food, and the mucosal cells in the left hand side exists iron in the mucosal periphery. And if the body does not need iron is excreted in the sweat, in the spinal cells, and if the body needs iron, mucosal periphery releases iron to mucosal transfer to transport protein with the hands of iron to another transferring the travels to the blood to the rest of the body. So there are two forms of iron in food. There is heme iron from meat, poultry, fish, which are readily absorbed. And other one is a non-heme iron, which includes the plant foods which are less absorbed. And absorption can be enhanced by vitamin C and absorption diminished by phytates, oxalates, and tannic acid present in the plant food. So iron cream oils is non-heme. Only food derived from animal fat provides this cream, but they also contain some non-heme iron. All the iron in the food derived from plant is a non-heme iron. Can be seen accounts for about 10% of average daily iron intake, but it is well absorbed with like about 25%, and non-heme iron accounts for the remaining 90%, but it is less well absorbed, that is about 17%. So, upper levels for adults is 45 milligram per day, and significant sources include red meat, fish, poultry, shellfish, eggs, then legumes, dried fruit. The iron deficiency is the most common nutrient deficiency worldwide, and can also with inadequate intake or blood loss happens. Females are prone due to menstruation, lower iron intake, and pregnancy, and preschoolers also at risk due to high milk diets. Iron deficiency symptoms are microcytic or hypochromic anemia, weakness, fatigue, headaches, impaired work performance and cognitive function, impaired immunity, pale skin, nail beds, then mucous membranes and palm creases, then contour nails, and inability to regulate body temperature and craving for ice, play, paste, and other non-food items. So this is like let's see that anemic situation. And iron overload is more common in men, leading to hemochromatosis, genetic defect, and hemosiderosis, which is a chronic injection of too much iron, which is most common in alcoholics, and toxicity symptoms are gastrointestinal distress, iron overload, infections, fatigue, joint pain, skin pigmentation, and organ damage. Chief functions of the body. A part of like zinc, the chief functions of the body is part of many enzymes, especially enzymes for transfer of carbon dioxide associated with the hormone insulin, involved in making genetic material and proteins, and important to wound healing, taste perception, reproduction, vision, and immune function. And the upper level for adults is 40 milligram per day, and significant sources include protein containing foods, red meat, shellfish, and whole grains. Zinc toxicity, zinc deficiency symptoms in children includes growth retardation and delayed sexual maturation, impaired immune function, fairness, iron skin lesions, loss of appetite and abnormal taste, decreased immune function, and poor wound healing and night blindness. Now, the toxicity is not likely, but symptoms may include loss of appetite, impaired immunity, low HDL, copper, and iron deficiency. Iodine, the chief function in the body, a component of the two thyroid hormones. It's a component of the two thyroid hormones that help to regulate growth, development, and metabolic rate. And adults is like 150 microgram per day, and upper level is 1100 microgram per day. And significant sources nowadays we have these the iodine is also not much of a problem in getting iodine. Deficiency includes simple goiter or creatinism, and deficiency symptoms are underactive thyroid gland, goiter, and toxicity symptoms include underactive thyroid gland, elevated TSH, etc. And coming to selenium, the chief functions in the body is like defense against oxidation, regulates thyroid hormones, and significant sources include seafood, meat, whole grain, vegetables. And selenium deficiency symptoms include predisposition to heart diseases, and toxicity symptoms are like a highly like a loss and brittleness of hair and nails, skin rash, fatigue, irritability, and nervous system disorders, garlic breath order, etc. So coming to copper, the chief functions in the body are like component of enzymes involved in absorption and use of iron in the formation of hemoglobin, part of several enzymes necessary for collagen, healing wounds, maintaining nerve fibers, myelin sheath, etc. And upper level for adults is like 900 micrograms per day. Significant sources are seafood, nuts, whole grains, seeds, legumes, and deficiency symptoms are like anemia and bone abnormalities, even though it is rare. Toxicity symptoms are like Wilson's disease and which results in liver damage. Manganese, the chief functions in the body is as a cofactor for several enzymes and component of bones and glands. And upper level is 11 milligram per day in adults. And significant sources are nuts, whole grains, leafy vegetables, and tea. And deficiency symptoms are rare as the requirements are very low, but toxicity symptoms are nervous system disorders and occurs particularly in minors and those who inhale large amounts of this manganese. And finally, the fluoride, where these functions are like involved in the formation of bones and teeth. And upper level for adults is 10 milligram per day. And fluoride, the significant sources are drinking water, tea, seafood, etc. And deficiency symptoms are like susceptibility to tooth decay, higher incidence of dental caries, toxicity symptoms include fluorosis or stitching and discoloration of the tooth enamel. And finally, the chromium, chief functions in the body and insulin action and carbohydrate and lipid metabolism, and significant sources are like meat, liver, whole grains, yeast, etc. And deficiency symptoms include diabetes-like condition, mimic symptoms of diabetes, and especially in the elderly, and toxicity symptoms, none are like so far important. So other trace minerals like molybdenum, nickel, cobalt, silicon, boron, and arsenic, they are essential for animals, but human requirements are under study, and no recommendations are made in its orders. Thank you.